In this video, we're going to talk about using the file uploads field in our Ninja Forms forms, right? So this is if you wanted your users, while they're filling out a form, to upload a file, whether it be a Word file or a scanned picture or something along those lines. So in order to do this, we're going to need to make sure that we have the extension from Ninja Forms. So you're going to want to make sure to either purchase that extension or make sure that it's available within the license that you've purchased. And once you do, it's going to be available under your download screen. So we'll just look for file uploads and we'll download the file. And then we'll install that just like any other plugin. So we'll go back to our dashboard, we'll hover over plugins and click on add new. Click on upload plugin, and then you can either select it from your computer or just drag and drop, which I will do now. Click install, it'll upload the plugin, and then you can select to activate it. And once you do, you'll see that it's actually installed an additional plugin on your site, Ninja Forms File Uploads. So now if we go to one of our forms, we can add a new form, click on blank. And we now have a new form field called File Upload. So I could put in a first name field and a File Upload field. And under our options, we can rename the file. We can choose whether or not we want to save it to the media library or save it to the server. We can, under restrictions, we can choose how many files they're able to send, the file size limit, and more importantly, the file types. So you want to add in the extensions of allowable files because we don't want people to be able to upload any kind of file that they want. We're usually looking for specific files, and you can add in multiple ones. So for example, if you wanted a scanned picture, it might be a JPEG or a GIF or a PNG or a PDF. And so you'll want to put those in and just make sure that those are the allowable file types. And then click on done. And if we publish this, simple upload and publish it, and then we'll just preview it through the preview. And you can see that on my form now, I have a file upload box. And if I select this, it'll allow me to select files from my computer, and there's a progress bar for while it's uploading. So that's pretty much it. As long as you have the extension, adding file uploads to your forms is pretty easy. If you have any problems, please do post in the LattePress forums, and somebody will try to get back to you as soon as possible.